See the, what do you call that? Incredibles. Ah, yeah, Toy Story.
Everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Hello everyone! Walking right now, going to Megaworld. And time check, 4:44, yeah. It's sunset time. And yeah, the road is quite busy. Let's have a walk. Sunset is awesome. Okay. Going to Megaworld Boulevard. I think this one is going to the Sunset Boulevard. Jeepney. Ooh, it's getting cooler now. Don't know what's the weather right now, but it's sunny. It's sunset. And then that one is the entrance of Business Park, I think. The other side. I think so. Yeah, I think so. Or they're just cleaning the area. They make it. They are putting some poles and then put the Christmas lights around, maybe. Nah? Yeah. And then it will be look like a Christmas tree. So this is going to the K-Town Festive Walk. We're back. Can't what? We are here now at SM. So that's the Injap Tower. SM. I think SM already finished decorating their Christmas tree. Oh, this is nice. Oh. An Injap Hotel. I hope my hand is not shaky. So nice. There area that we can check inside the plaza. What's that? Let's go there. That's colorful. Look at the blinking Christmas lights. It's really nice. Oh. Of a white Christmas. It's cute. Let's check this Plazuela. So nice. It looks like there's a church up there. So scary, yeah? It's nice here. They're still preparing. Not yet done. Looks like there will be a like party every night here. Party. This is so nice. So cute. This is my first time to come here. Like fall decoration. So, I can see the, what do you call that? The family. Awesome. Oh. This one. Incredibles. Oh my gosh. And this one is, what do you call this? This one? Ah, yeah, Toy Story. Oh, look at this. This is awesome. They're still preparing. Yeah, I will. It's really nice here. Oh my gosh, can you imagine the view of the sunset from here? So perfect. Okay, let's go to SM. I don't know if we can pass by here. This is so cute. Imagine the view, combinations of colors. There's a lot of kois here. Oh my gosh. It's very relaxing. Christmas. That one is Finding Nemo. What is this? Eyes of love. I see love. Eyes of love. I see love. Eyes of love. So cute. Finding Nemo. So cute here. So good, They are the Angry Bird family. Look at that. Look at the eyebrows. Eyebrows. They're so angry.
It's like your eyebrows when you're talking.
What?
That's what your eyebrows look like when you're talking.
I am always angry.
The Angry Birds? What's that?
The Angry Birds.
That's a bird.
I don't know. It looks like for the zombie versus plants versus zombies. I don't know. Dora the Explorer and Minions. Our favorite one, McQueen. McQueen is so nice.
Number one grandpa's every day. Number one grandpa's.
This is Lazuela in the Iloilo. Frozen family. So nice here. Very colorful, especially at night. And then there's a lot of stores here too. Let's go now. Oh, this American backyard. Olaf! Okay, we are out now. Just in the other side. Plazuela. Pick up coffee. Super. Oh. So nice.
What Shelby is it?
I don't know what road is that, the other side. Looks like it's the service road. East service road. East. This one is east, the other side is what, west?
What's the name of it?
Nice. What's up? This is the Don Donato Pisan Avenue. Going to the east road. I can see the Christmas tree from Jollibee. Huh? There's a lightning. This is the District 21 Hotel. This place is so big. Oh my gosh, look at the color. It's awesome.
Zulu.
Hmm?
Walk this way?
Which one?
I thought you said we couldn't walk this way.
Which one?
You said they blocked off the road.
Yeah, there. The corner.
So can we walk this way?
Yeah.
Huh?
We still can walk. So nice, eh? Can you see that pinkish? Beautiful sky. So there's a Christmas party in Ateneo de Iloilo. Have a lot of activities tonight.